The Zeus Touch Ultra is a 10.6-inch LCD full-color touchscreen, no buttons. You don't even have to take off your gloves while riding. What's great about this is it's got GoPro connectivity, front and rear camera, audio capabilities, waypoints and tracks, and so much more. The models that it's available on is going to be the Dominator X2, the Dominator X4, the Ravager, and the all-new X-Force. Let's go ahead and jump in. This screen is going to be your main riding screen. As you can see with the gauges, you have your fuel level here on the left, your RPM, your miles per hour, and your engine hours, and on the right you have your temperature and your battery level. If you take a look at the bottom screen down here, you have a couple of different icons that will always be on your screen. The left side will have your volume, which will always stay there, and then the top up here will also have some additional icons that will always stay there. Going from the right to the left, you can see the time, the Bluetooth connectivity, your phone battery level, some missed text messages, north for the directional. Then you also have some default indicators such as check oil, check engine, hazards, fuel, and temperature. You also have the ability to see your left blinker, your right blinker, your hazards, and your light indicators show up as well. If we go ahead and go through the bottom indicators, we can see right here we have our music currently muted. If you want to adjust the volume, you can adjust that right here, or just go ahead and leave it on mute. The second icon is going to be your music. Right here you've got a couple of different options. You can click this button right here, and you can go through your FM, AM, Bluetooth, USB, or weather band as sources. The third icon is going to be your navigation. You can either zoom in and out of your screen using the little touch keys, or you have pinch to zoom. What's nice about this is if you want to add a track, you have your icon right here, and we can just add test and hit add. And we do want to show our new track, and then we can also easily add a waypoint right here, and we'll call this 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, it dropped our waypoint right there on the screen. To manage your waypoints and your tracks, hit the little settings button in the bottom right corner, and you'll be able to adjust your waypoints, manage them, and decide which ones are shown on the screen. You can adjust your tracks as well to show which ones are on the screen, import and export tracks. And then you can check your satellites to see what satellites your unit is connected to. Finally, at the bottom, you can update your maps. If we go to the middle icon, it's going to be your riding screen again. Clicking to one spot over with your communication phone, as you can see, we do have a device already connected. It'll show you your phone calls and your text messages. You will have some text messages that show up as unread, and you can read them directly here on the screen. As you notice, we didn't click into those text messages, so we still have them shown unread here at the bottom and at your icon at the top of the screen. You can also add additional devices on this as well. The next icon is going to be your controls. This is to turn your light bar on and off, and turn on your heated seats for the driver and passenger as well. You have low, high, and off. The last screen is going to be your settings. Here you can take a look and adjust your brightness of your screen. You can look at your user settings, which is going to be your language, your units of measurement, and your clock hours. You can adjust your music settings as well, such as the volume and the balance. Just like we did on that navigation screen with the waypoints, the tracks, and the satellite. And you can look at your system information. This is going to be your configuration and your serial number, so you know exactly what version you have of your update. On the right side of the screen, we do want to point out that you can always see your miles per hour and main gauges during any of your riding screens. Lastly, let's go ahead and take a look at your GoPro and your front and rear camera. We do have our rear camera shown here. You have your front camera and your GoPro connectivity. And that's your overview of the Zeus Touch Ultra. Thanks for watching. Check out the all-new Zeus Touch Ultra on our website, odesindustries.com.